Today I want to talk to you about creating an underpainting. In this painting you can see there's a lot of indulating colors and nuances that shine through the finished painting. Up in here, how there's subtle colors coming through, drips of paint, and this painting is an oil painting. So I'd like to show you another example of an incredibly interesting underpainting. In this underpainting, I did take a different approach using primarily charcoal and a little bit of acrylic, and I will list the video of how I created this at the end of this video. But as you can see in the underpainting, there's a little bit of chaos going on, right? I created this underpainting. I wanted it to be interesting and to have that kind of feeling of vibrating passages, right? So it has vibrating passages. It has a little bit of chaos. But when I refine the painting on top of it, as you can see here, some of that comes through, but a lot of it is under the oil paint. Sometimes I wonder, should I have left more of the underpainting? I'm not sure, but I do love the finished painting and how it turned out. And so as you can see, an underpainting can be very powerful in your finished painting. The indulations and the passages can actually shine through your finished painting in a beautiful, harmonious way. So in this painting, Peacekeeper of this bison, I wanted to create a beautiful, powerful bison with a sense of kindness coming from the animal's eyes. That would really match the title, Peacekeeper. And leave a comment below if you think you sense that in my painting too. And I should mention, I don't have Peacekeeper here because Peacekeeper sold, which I'm very grateful for. So look once again at the underpainting. I'd love to know what you think of this process. Should I have left more of the underpainting visible in the finished painting? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be posting videos every week, and I will be doing a series of videos on creating interesting underpaintings. Thanks so much everyone for watching. Until next time, bye!